Alright, out visiting the Chevelle. It's a secret hibernation place in one of my friend's garages. Thing's super dusty. I don't think I've been here in probably a month. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, and I think today is 2/26. Alright. Well, I'll set up a camera for a little cold start and we'll crank her up and go rip around. Okay, so initial inspections. We've got a little tiny bit of antifreeze leaking from this fitting. And I was trying to remember if that's the trigger for the fan. Yeah, this is the trigger, the thermostat for the fan switch. It's not the best. And then this is the temp sensor in the car. At some point, I really want to pull this engine out and reseal it. I've had a real hard time with this one, and I can see it's a little bit wet. I've replaced that gasket many times. The housing, I don't know, if something maybe isn't flat. I've used RTV anyway. I gotta do some resealing here, but those are kind of normal. I forgot my normal 13mm wrench, so we use our trusty BMW 13mm wrench out of our E34 530. All right, let's crank this thing up, see if it does anything. What's up with that? Almost seems like no spark, but I have no reason to believe that's the case. Yeah, oh boy, we've got plenty of fuel. Maybe it's flooded. I'd be surprised if that's the case too. Could be. Now that I know it's going to run, I'm going to button it back up so I can pull it out of here so I don't fill my friend's garage with carbon monoxide.
as hard as I possibly can because it's been pretty cold outside, and even though it's warmed up, it's a little notchy. Every now and again, like a few minutes ago, I hit a hard downshift into third. Even on a hard upshift, I'll feel it almost grind for a second. So I don't know, it honestly could be too much torque for the transmission, but so I can shift this thing fast as lightning, but I'm just kind of taking it easy on the shifts today. This thing just does rolling burnouts too. Just roll here. Oh boy.
And that's it for today. A little tiny bit wet, so I'll have to deal with all that stuff at some point. This shouldn't really have any pressure in it now. Let's see if we got anything in there now. Yeah, a little more. Good, that's doing its job. And now she'll rest for another month. We'll do this again.